Are you tired of throwing away spoiled food and wasting money every week? What if there was a way to keep your meals fresh up to 5 times longer and save serious cash? Meet the upgraded vacuum sealer machine for food, the ultimate kitchen gadget that's taking US households by storm. Whether you're meal prepping, freezing leftovers, or sealing snacks for road trips, this smart sealer makes food storage effortless. Share the pros and cons, real customer reviews, and explain exactly why these gadgets are worth every penny. If you care about saving food and money, you need to see this. Pros: compact design, easy to use with one-touch operation. Works with dry and moist food modes. Comes with sealing bags included. Affordable price point compared to premium models. Cons: best for small to medium portions, not bulkier items. Works better if you use compatible sealing bags. Customer review highlight. One US buyer said, "Perfect for meal prep, keeps my chicken fresh all week." Small but powerful. Why buy it? Great for families who meal prep, freeze meat, or want to stop wasting leftovers.